Hey everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a question that many of you have been asking: how to delete your X or Twitter account. Let's get started. Alright. The first step is to open X or Twitter app on your mobile device. Once you're in, click on your profile picture at the top left corner. A side menu will pop up. From there, tap on Settings and Support, and then navigate to Settings and Privacy. This will open up your X settings. Now, click on the first option, which is your account. You'll see a page with 4 different options. What we're looking for is the Deactivate Your Account button. Once you're there, tap on Deactivate Your Account, and you'll be ready to proceed. Now, here's the catch: we don't have a dedicated delete button. Instead, we have to deactivate our account first. When your profile is deactivated, it means everything about you will be hidden, and no one will be able to find it. But, and this is crucial, if you change your mind, you have a window of 30 days to restore your account by simply logging in. After those 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted, and there's no turning back. So, if you're sure about it, go ahead and click on that Deactivate button. Enter your password and click on the Deactivate to confirm it. Just resist the temptation to reactivate your account in the next 30 days, and it will be deleted forever. And there you have it. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.